Cancer had reared its little ugly head in my family. However, I'm afraid none of that prepared me to hear the words, "Mr. Burns, you have cancer."
I know from my personal experience when I went through chemotherapy that even I, who know a lot about this field, was pretty befuddled and perplexed.
Trained navigators work alongside of their healthcare team, trying to get in the door as quickly as possible to identify our role, as well as to try to assess and tease out what the areas might be for support of the patient and the family.
This amazing woman could get me an MRI, a PET scan, and a physician visit all in one day, knowing that my round trip from my home to care and back was 6 hours. She made that happen for me.
Without the cancer navigation system being in place, I nor my brother, Tony, would have been able to obtain the care, the treatment, or the support that we received